Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Minutes. So today we'll be discussing about few important factors. What is the current condition of the market? Okay, what can happen in our upcoming days, and the most important thing is the price actions. Okay, we'll discuss little bit about price action, at what time we should enter, what should be our stop losses and everything. Okay, because this is very crucial point to understand what should be our entry point and what should be our stop loss, because most of us does not focus on our entry and stop loss. Everybody is worried about target, which is the least important thing in trading, because most of the people are like worried about target. 10 rupees up, they book the profit and they exit. But same stock they will trade on the sell side, they will just hold it, buy it, and if it falls 50 rupees also, they won't book the profit. So that is a very negative thing. Okay, you have to get out of it very quickly. So this video, carefully see what I am telling about, okay, and just try to focus on each and every points. Okay, so yesterday what we have analyzed, we were very clear about one thing, about this particular candle, right? So high of this particular candle and low of this weekly candle, right? So this particular candle is the most important candle for us in our coming days, right? So anywhere I told, if the market, okay, if the market is above 15,011, right, if it sustains or if it gives a closing here, it will start trending upside, okay, and the move will be huge. Okay, so just understand these things. Why? First mark your levels, because you can understand the things later, but the levels you need to like be very strict with it. Okay, so see this thing. So above 15,011 there can be a huge move. So why I am saying this, here if you see, some sellers are there present, right? Here sellers were there, right? All these red candles, right? So here it's a range of sellers that they are having here. Okay, so market is having many sellers in this particular point, that is 15,000. And if you see, it has been tested multiple times, first time, second time, third time, right? And it is going for the fourth time here. Okay, we don't know it will go or not, but if it goes, what can happen? Okay, so here if you see, mostly whenever a red candle is made, right, generally people short it, and the stop loss is exactly here, okay, this particular level. So whenever it crosses this particular level, their stop loss will be hitting and market will go to short covering. Okay, we have heard this term short covering, right? So let us focus on few points here. If you see this particular level, if we have discussed last time that this particular weekly candle is the most important candle. So anywhere if market trades above 15,011, then it will be a huge move. So now as Nifty has closed around 14,955, right, this particular level, right? So 14,955, tomorrow what we can do, okay, these levels mark in it 15,011 and this weekly levels 14,613, this level you mark and then you trade on whatever levels you get. Okay, no issues with it. Now let us see our daily time frame. Okay, so in our daily time frame, we'll go on 15 minutes time frame for daily. Okay, so here if you see this particular area, yesterday only we have discussed that this particular level, if there is a gap down, market will try to take this particular area down, okay, and go to a downside, right? But it didn't happen. So market opened flat, okay, exactly in this particular area market opened, okay, and after that it continuously started flying up, right? It took halted and went, okay, with a very good price action, and these moves are very bullish. Okay, it's very bullish. Okay, so what we can do is, here from on top, right, there is 15,000 level. Here we got a huge sell off, right, and now it's a pullback right from here. So one thing we have to be very clear, okay, market cannot go up in a straight line. Okay, it has to take a retracement and then only it can move up. Mark this point. Okay, so tomorrow my analysis will be very clear. That is, we planned for long only on closing basis. That is, if Nifty closes above 15,000, okay, morning if Nifty is like trading around 15,011 also, we should not enter, because I told clearly that in daily chart Nifty has to close above 15,011. Okay, so in my channel, whoever are present, right, if according to yesterday, those who have taken the trade, mostly they have entered over here, right? They have entered in this particular area, and this was the stop loss for us, right? So this is the reward we got, right? So immediately tomorrow, okay, tomorrow if market opens around 15,000 level, if market opens around 15,000 level, we will book this profit. Okay, simply we'll book this profit. Whatever positions you have, just book the profit, because if it goes for selling, right, again, it will again be a huge selling. Okay, it will be a huge selling. Okay, so we'll not take any risk. Okay, what we should do here is we'll first book the position at 15,000 level. Okay, and wait for the whole day, that is tomorrow we are not going to trade. We'll just wait for the closing tomorrow, because tomorrow if we get a very good closing, upcoming days is like beautiful for you guys. Okay, so tomorrow whenever the market opens around 15,000, but if the market opens around 15,000, we'll book our profit first of all, and we'll wait for a closing over here. If the market gives a closing, any candle, if it gives above 15,000 level, we'll long Nifty. Okay, we'll long Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever, using this particular stop loss. That will be, if Nifty is giving a closing around 15,020 also, our stop loss will be very fixed, that is 15,000 level. Okay, very good risk to reward we'll get in this particular trade. Okay, this is very clear. And similarly, what will happen if the market goes flat? Okay, even if it goes flat, okay, we'll exit our positions. Okay, very clear, because I will not going to like make hunt for these 50 points. Okay, these 50 points I don't need, I can sacrifice that, no issues with it. I will get a very good trade above 15,000. Okay, so tomorrow if the market opens flat, this particular area, if the market opens flat, I'm not going to take any extra position. I will just book my profit, or I will give a stop loss over here. Okay, and just hold my trade. Okay, if the market goes sideways, it can go and then it can close over here and give a closing. This is the possibility actually. Okay, so what I want to say is you have to be very cautious about the selling side. Okay, that is the downside I'm talking about. Okay, so tomorrow if the market opens gap down, definitely like it will like run like anything on downside. Okay, there is no issue with it. So tomorrow if the market opens negative, we can blindly go for selling side, no issues with it. Okay, and tomorrow if the market opens flat, we are not going to trade. If it is gap up, we'll just exit our position and hold to sustain above 15,001. We'll long about this particular positions. Okay, no issues with it, everything is clear. Now let us come to Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty is also having the similar pattern. Okay, exactly the same pattern that Nifty is having. So here we have our Bank Nifty chart, and if you see clearly, Bank Nifty has crossed this particular level and gave a closing over here, right? Which we want in Nifty also, right? So in this particular level, we can again long on Bank Nifty only if tomorrow this level is sustained. Okay, this particular level. Okay, so what I feel is like tomorrow if this level sustains in Bank Nifty, Nifty will also be giving a closing above 15,000. There is no issues with it, because you will get a good long trade. Right, so today as you see, like yesterday, day before yesterday, we have taken one position in Bank Nifty where we bought exactly over here, right, and we got a beautiful rally here. So this is the area which I booked my profit. Okay, I will need Nifty back, because other indices also have to support you. You can't go only on Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty has to be supported by Nifty and vice versa. Nifty also has to be supported by Bank Nifty. Okay, so then only we can get a good trade. So as Nifty didn't cross the 15,000 level, I didn't hold this long position. If today Nifty also broke that weekly high, I could have easily went for long. Okay, so this view is very clear. So once more I'm repeating, if there is a flat market, don't go for any buy position. We'll buy only if the Nifty is closing above 15,000. Okay, tomorrow, then only we'll make a long position. Okay, those who are having long position on 50, if there is a gap up in 15,000, just exit the position and watch the market. Okay, if there is a gap down, okay, there will be huge selling. Okay, heavy fast selling will come in gap downs. Okay, remember one thing, in market, gap downs or gap up, whatever it is, the selling will come very rapid. Okay, it will come very fast. Okay, now this is tomorrow's analysis. Be very clear about it, no issues with it, I guess. So tomorrow we'll discuss about all these things when the live market is there, no issues with it. So the next thing is about the price actions. Okay, so to understand when to enter and when to give the stop loss and at which point you should give. Okay, so understand one thing. Here I have a whiteboard, so I can explain you one thing. So in any particular stock, right, any particular stock moves in this particular fashions, right? This particular, it goes up, down like this, right? So to understand one simple thing, okay, when to enter, okay, one golden rule is, market if falls, okay, it cannot go up like this. Okay, it cannot. Okay, just mark my word, it cannot. Okay, so what should we do? So whenever the market falls, okay, if it has to recover, it will recover in a W pattern. Okay, this is a W pattern. Okay, so whenever we'll take a long trade, long swing trades, right, we'll go always look for W patterns. What I meant by W pattern is, Whenever the market, suppose the market is falling or the price of the stock is dropping, right? So suddenly it stops and the sellers vanishes and it goes up, right? So in the first pullback, so this is the first pullback, right? So in the first pullback, we'll never buy. Okay, what we'll do, we'll wait for a retracement. Okay, and in this particular area, if we get a green candle in this particular area, if we get a green candle, we'll enter. Okay, so our particularly entry will be here. Okay, our stop loss will be exactly the previous swing low. Okay, and the reward will be this W top. Okay, this is one of the trading patterns which is very successful. Okay, very successful. First of all, if you are a beginner, you should always start with looking for patterns that are easy. Okay, so market will never go up in a single way. W pattern has to come. Now why W pattern I am saying? Okay, so why we should wait for this particular pullback? Okay, let us understand particular thing. So why we should wait for this particular pullback and not enter over this particular area? Okay, not enter over this particular green candle. Okay, so just understand one thing. If the market is falling, okay, it will go up and then fall again, right? So if I am anywhere wrong in this particular area, right, I cannot give my stop loss over here or anywhere, because you have to give your stop loss on levels, on support zones, right? Otherwise it's not a trade. You cannot take a trade here and here only you can give the stop loss, right? So market generally, if it has to fall, it has to also fall in a pattern. Okay, it does not fall in a single line. Okay, it will take a retracement, and this particular area new sellers will come to sell in the market. Okay, and it will come down. So if I buy over here, most of my trades will be failing. Okay, so for that reason only, if we have to long or short, right? So if the market is falling over here, right, so this is the area where we should short it. Okay, so as soon as this particular low is taken out, okay, this particular low is taken out, we can short, keeping this particular high as the stop loss. Okay, this is on our selling side. Okay, this is on our selling side. Now for buying area, so whenever the market is falling, okay, and on the first pullback, we should not buy, because it can go for a selling side, right? But what we are expecting is, our pattern is, will go down, it goes up, okay, and we'll wait for another pullback. Okay, so this is the second pullback. So this is the second pullback, and in this pullback, okay, if we get a green candle over here in this area, anywhere we get a green bullish candle, we will long it, because any greenish candle means the sellers are not able to close it and the market will fly. Okay, so this is the pattern which I am talking about, the W pattern of recovery. Okay, mark my words. Okay, that is W pattern in recovery of a stock from a support or from a sell side. Okay, so now let us see few of the examples where we given a trade. You guys also traded here, but you didn't know what was the logic, right? So for ICICI Bank, right, let's go with ICICI Bank, which was today, right? So if we go to ICICI Bank, wait, let me find here ICICI Bank. Okay, so here is the ICICI Bank chart. Okay, let us come to daily chart of ICICI Bank. Okay, always use this in daily charts because it is more accurate over here. Okay, so here if you see market from the bottom, right, in this particular area, if you see market from the bottom has continuously went up, right? It has went up, but here it got a sell off, right? It got a sell off here. So this is the first pullback. Okay, so from here the market fell, right? From here the market continuously fell, it went up, right? It went up here, and this is the second pullback. So in this pullback we will not buy, because anywhere here market could have come down like this. Okay, it could have. Okay, so we are not going to take any trades over here, because if you have like bought this particular ICICI Bank here, you could not give your stop loss anywhere. You cannot gamble in the market. You have to use your probability of like how many success percentage is there, right? So here the price action was very much clear. Okay, so what was the price action? Market came down. So at any level, if you see from here also, if you see market came down, it went up. Okay, so this pullback will not buy. Okay, we'll wait for a retracement. So here the market again came down. So this is the proper entry which we'll get. So this is the entry we'll get. Our stop loss will be around this level, because this is the last swing high. Okay, and what will be our reward? Our reward will be, obviously, see, this is the particular resistance first we'll get. Okay, this particular resistance. After that, if it is broken, it's clearly this particular level will get, that is 6.8, right? So 630 is the first target which I have mentioned over there. So just remember one thing, this particular W pattern you have to follow to make swing trades. Okay, so here we got our entry over here. Okay, so and the next trade is we are looking for this particular level, that is 630, and then this is the 630 level that will be breached, and then the 660 we have, 680 we have. These three levels we can take off. Okay, so here also this particular W pattern is getting followed. If you see this particular W pattern, right? So this is a complete W pattern. Okay, so let us see like some other stocks also which I'm talking. So let us see HCL Tech. Okay, HCL Tech, it was a long, previously we have bought it, right? But just see HCL Tech. HCL Tech continuously downside, right? After that a pullback was there, right? So in this pullback we should not buy. Okay, because our stop loss we cannot give in this particular area. If we buy, we cannot give a stop loss over here. Okay, similarly we cannot buy here and see the stock price falling, right? So what we have to do here, because here in this particular area new sellers will come and try to push the market downside. Okay, and when they fail, that is the entry when we should go for. Okay, so in this particular area, if you see, market went up and came down, right? So after coming down, this is the first candle we will look, that is a green candle. It is a hammer candle, right? We'll discuss about candles later, but this is the hammer candle that looks very strong. This is our entry point. Okay, where will be our stop loss? Exactly in this particular level. So right, so here if you see 880 was our stop loss, if you remember, in our HCL trade, and it is going high. And if the W patterns continue, right, it will just go up, take a W pattern, it will go like this. Okay, it will take this high out and just move up. Okay, that this is the target actually I'm giving. So this is exactly, this won't go like this because market won't go in a straight line, right? So it should go something like this. So once the W pattern gets completed, buyers come in and this first resistance is taken out, it goes up, it take a retracement and then moves, right? So this particular patterns is followed, but again it's a W pattern. Okay, you have to remember what is a W pattern and how markets recover. Okay, similarly for HDFC Bank also we are having the same thing. Let us look at maybe ITC, we can go. Okay, just hold on a second. ITC, I don't think I have added in my, yeah, this is there. So in this ITC also, if you see here, right, market is continuously coming down, right? So in this first pullback, this particular area we should not enter, wait for the second pullback. So here we will enter on any green candle. So that was the green, and this high was also taken out, right? This high was also taken out. That's why you took a trade here. So here it went up, right? It opened around this particular, it went up. Let it retrace, no problem, but you are safe because your stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, so this can take a retracement over here and move up, because and the next target should be the swing high, that is 224, then the next 240, like this, right? So you have to understand this particular way of trading, because you cannot abruptly like go in particular level, any level, and then make a trade, because this is how the large positions are created. Okay, you have to follow how the large positions are taken. Market goes up in a pattern, then only it like recovers, or whatever thing we say, right? So these are the few important things. You can go and see some other charts also to understand more specifically about this W pattern recovery which I'm talking. So here also you can get anywhere, right? This particular area, if you see, market came down, right? It went up. This is not the area where we'll buy. Okay, see the second pullback. Okay, and the green candle goes here, right? And this is the result, right? So this was the swing high, previous swing high, it got a rejection, we could have booked profit, right? So similarly here also this W pattern must be followed. So W pattern is a very important price action pattern. Just follow it, and if you have any doubts, you just ask me personally. You have no issues with it. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please join our WhatsApp channel from our description box. So thank you, have a good day.